This one's so good, you gotta make it.
All right, boil some noodles and set them aside once they're strained. Full recipe for the bechamel sauce is on my channel. Check this one out too.
I'm testing our bechamel sauce here first. Ugh, I need salt. Ugh. Still lacking. You've got to make sure you have enough salt in this bechamel sauce. If you don't have enough salt, it's gonna taste bland. It's gonna too much salt. Oh, it's too salty now. That last one put it over the edge. It's too much. Ma, what's going on, Ma? Salt, I think. No, Ma. That is a beautiful bechamel sauce.
Right, let's build this sucker. Slap down some sauce, about half of your pasta noodles, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese, and 1 ladle of the bechamel sauce. Layer in all of your meat sauce, top it off with the remainder of the noodles, make them messy, and then fill it with the remainder of your bechamel cream sauce. Throw it in the oven for about an hour, you're good to go. Dinner's ready, who's ready to eat? Let's go. Boom, look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
Give this easy recipe a try. It's great for the whole family, working on a budget, cooking on a budget. This will help feed so many people. Nice and thick. Can you see that? Look up close. Taste test time is the best time. Oh yeah.